Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at set 60251 Monster Truck from the LEGO City line. So here's the Monster Truck driver that comes with the set. He's got some nice printing on the front and on the back. Taking off his helmet reveals essentially one of the basic minifigure heads. Here's the Monster Truck build that comes with the set. So on the front, it has a really nice printing. There's this front, the side, back, and the back has a little like bed thing. And the other side, the top, you can just remove the top, and you can take your little LEGO Monster Truck driver and pop them in. And now you can see them on the inside.